What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Look the same as before because I'm back outside working on the Audi again. So basically, yeah, last week it kicked my ass. I was outside like eight and a half hours in like the 15 to 20 degree range. It was horrible. And the next day I was actually sick. And it took me a little while to recover, but little does the Audi know, I spent the entire week getting better, and it's a lot warmer today. So I'm going to give it a second try and really just try and wrestle that downpipe out. I'm not sure what else I have to remove, what else is in the way, but I'm just going to see what makes sense and go for it. Should be a gloveless day, so I'll be able to use my hands a lot better. It's about 45 degrees today, so I've been borrowing Nick's car. See, I'm in a different Mustang. I'm in a 2012 GT because obviously the Audi wasn't able to take me to work this week. So yeah, I'm gonna start this guy up. I must say it's been fun driving a 5.0. Never drove one before. Let's see how she sounds. Not too bad. So this one just has some cutouts. I'm not sure how you guys can hear me here, but yeah, it's just cut right after the muffler. Not cutouts, it's just dumped. And yeah, sounds pretty good. It's not as loud as the straight pipe 4.6 is, but obviously I think it sounds a lot better. You know, just driving around, it's kind of refined and it's nice. And really, once you start to like get into it and actually hit the gas, then it sounds good and I start screaming. But yeah, this makes me really want to get a 5.0, so stay tuned in the future. Maybe next couple of years I'll get one, but yeah, for now I'm going to get all these cars pulled out to the street and yeah, see what we can do with the downpipe on the A3. So now I'm in the 99. This one's going to be a lot louder. I haven't driven this one in a few days. Holy shit. Clutch is a lot heavier too. Ready? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Just for the record, I agree with you guys. This car is too loud. But yeah, all y'all that have been commenting like, when's it gonna get an exhaust, all that stuff, just pay attention to the videos, man. That's all I'm gonna say. There's a lot of stuff that have to come first. Obviously, I have two cars that I'm working on, not just one. So yeah, that's gonna be kind of pushed to the side for now. I'm not gonna be driving this car really at all over the winter, but yeah, engine swap, then exhaust. Bear with me, you guys. Okay. So, this is where we're at. We cut the downpipe right here to make it easier coming out. But when I was looking up top, I did notice a sneaky little bolt still on the downpipe. Now you can't see it, but it is behind the O2 sensor. If you see that with the wire that's like behind it, you might not even be able to see the O2 sensor from where we're at, but it's beyond this black section here. And I couldn't get it with any 3/8 at the 13 mil, and you need it to be deep because it's got a little stud on it. But the 3/8 drive 13 mil was too long, too big to get in there. And this is a little bit of a better spot, so I'm gonna try and get this 1/4 inch little tiny ratchet up in there. And pretty much it's gonna go all the way up to my elbow here. So I'm gonna hold on to it with my right hand, but my left hand's gonna be the one doing the turning. So I'm gonna hand it over. Okay. So it's behind the O2. Basically, you can't see it at all. You just gotta feel for it. But when I was wiggling the downpipe, that was the one place that felt like it was still tight, was in this area. And sure enough, there's a bolt there that the instructions did not tell me. I reread the instructions a few times. And I hope it's a 13, jeez. It's like my ratchet doesn't want to go on there. Let's see if this even wants to go on there. It should. I think it's just the angle. Yeah, oh yeah, it's tight. It's just because it's the O2 sensor right here. See, it gets on there. It's just about getting that torque on this little ratchet. Cannot get the torque on it. There's no way you guys can see where I am. Alright, y'all. So I actually got this bolt loose, the one that's on the back side, and it's the stupidest thing ever. Because basically, the space is really only big enough for this long of a socket to go in there. My 3/8 socket is slightly longer, and it was hitting the O2 sensor on this side, so it wouldn't quite fit in there. On the alternative, fitting this up in there, I couldn't get any sort of torque on it to be able to turn that, and it kept slipping a little bit. So what I had to do was make the 3/8 fit, because it's plain and simple, you need a longer ratchet or wrench to get that leverage. So what I did, whoa, the other reason I don't like recording under here, the camera falls off every 20 seconds, and I don't even know if you guys are able to see what I'm seeing. So basically I ran the O2 sensor down here, which makes it come off that bung at like a 90-degree angle, which gives me just the right amount of clearance to fit the 3/8 ratchet in there, which again is a little bit bigger. That's why it wasn't fitting. And you kind of have to smush the O2 sensor down. So really taking a gamble with that one. I guess we'll look at the sensor when we pull the whole downpipe out of the car. But yeah, I did get that broken loose, so now I'm going to go up in here with the 1/4 inch 13 mil socket again. And yeah, you kind of, this has been my strategy, is to get your guiding hand and your wrench hand, or your turning hand, because you're not going to be able to use your eyes at all. You're just going by feel here. So there it is. Okay. So yeah, that's a lot easier to turn now. Okay. So see, it keeps slipping off and you can't see it. So pretty much, yeah. So pretty much from where I'm laying, if you could see this O2 sensor, this wire right here, follow your hand along that, and then once you get to the downpipe, you're touching it, go do this with your hand. So you're up there, and then just kind of turn it at a 90 degree, and you'll feel it with your middle and your ring finger. That's really the only way to get it. So I'm just gonna, there's the nut. That took about 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, yeah, oh, it's already good. It's gonna start falling. Okay, so let's move all this stuff. Go down here. I gotta watch out. Actually, let me grab my gloves. They're over there. A little bit higher would have been nice. It looks like we're almost done here, at least with the removal part, and then we have to undo everything we just did, or redo everything we just undid. And just an FYI, I guess I'm about to try it. We did not remove the drive shaft, so I might still need to do that. I was really going to see if I can try and work around it, but I guess we'll just see how wide that thing is. Maybe we'll take it through the top, but anyway, let's start fishing it out of here. And I gotta watch out for this cut end here. And you want to turn counterclockwise, I guess. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna do this as slow and steady, because I also want to fish the O2 sensor up here. Make sure it doesn't get caught on anything. Okay, I'm gonna go up there and see how the downpipe is doing next to the turbo. This is probably gonna be a lot of up and down for this one. Okay, so it's down in there. Let's just get it like that, yeah. Okay, I think it's binding against the drive shaft already. Yeah, that's gotta be it. Or the heat shields. Either one. Let's check it out. Okay, where are we at? Yeah, there's a heat shield. Might have to take that one out. Just want to try and shimmy it without the... might be able to get it through the top, to be honest with you. That might be better, actually. Let's try it. Although, I can already tell that some of this stuff is gonna be in the way. I don't think so. So I'm taking a little break here. I figured I'd update you on some stuff because I haven't worn the GoPro in a little bit. But I did have to take the Driveshaft heat shield out, which is along this side. There's 2 bolts. It's really no point in me showing you where they are, but look for the thing that looks like this and feel around for the bolts. You can't even see what you're doing, but there's that, and then there's another heat shield that's more in the center, where after you remove that one, there's just one bolt holding that one. Yeah, the downpipe is completely off. You can see it's sunk in kind of below the turbo there, but that's where it stops because I ran into... Come under here. I guess you kind of see it, yeah. Not really. The wide part of the cat is really binding up against the drive shaft right there. Just past that flex section there. So what I actually have to do is what I was hoping I wouldn't have to do, but I've already got the bolts for the drive shaft, and I have to pry the engine away from the transmission so that I can kind of move the drive shaft to the left there and give me more room to snake this out on the right. So that's what I'm looking at. That's what I was looking at a couple of nights ago, and just didn't have the adamancy to get it done. So we're gonna try it this time because it looks like, yeah, that definitely needs to come out. There's another heat shield that it's binding on, but it looks like there's quite a bit of bolts for it, so this might actually be easier to do. It's just try the good old drive shaft trick. So just for the record, I did try to get it out through the top because I did cut the back end off there, and I figured this is the widest part right here. So if I can get this above it, then the rest will be a piece of cake, but it wouldn't fit through this gap here. I would have to like start removing maybe this heat shield and some of this wiring even. So out the bottom is going to be the way. Let's see what it's going to take though. Yes! It is out, baby. You guys don't even freaking know. Don't even know, dude, how hard that was. But let me show you. This is the easy part up here, I'll be honest. To get that out, not gonna mention how many days it took. I needed a second person. That was the main part.
That was why I smiled in the camera.
Yeah, cause, yeah, I haven't even been recording the struggle process, but it has been a struggle. You guys know anything that we do on this channel doesn't go as planned, but yeah, where this 2x4 is, this is key right here. We wouldn't have been able to do this without the 2x4. And I'm glad whoever showed me that trick in their YouTube video, because I watched like 25 different YouTube videos. But yeah, you gotta wedge a pry bar in there to get this gap even. Shove that wood in there. It's between the transmission mount, or the transmission and like the subframe here. Before any of that, you gotta undo the dog bone mount here, or transmission mount, and then the dog bone's there. Loosen that, so that way you can kind of rock this motor. But it was still really hard to do. Like you can see, with the wood in there, you can only move it a little bit, and then you need to move it like another ½ inch after that. But we were able to get the drive shaft. Where is it? Oh, it's so dark in here, there's no way. There. Alright. Yeah, so you can see where the drive shaft is supposed to be on that nub, and now it's over there off to the side, which gave us enough room to put this through. Another thing we had to do is the downpipe kept getting stuck on that little rusty flange looking thing that's way up in there. So we had to kind of wiggle the engine some more with this piece of wood here to be able to get it past that. But it took about, I'd say 15 minutes of both me and Nick under here wrestling to get it out. And the instructions just to say, like, be careful, don't
damaging into heat shields. You shouldn't be like forcing anything, but no, trust me, you do quite a bit of forcing when you're doing this, and the heat shields are all scraped up, but it's okay because the stock, not the stock, the aftermarket downpipe CTS that I'm putting in is a lot smaller. It'll just go right in, no issues. So yeah, that's so fucking awesome. What? Hello? Okay. But yeah, we're gonna keep going with this. Get the new one in, follow the instructions all the way, and really I'm worried about getting this drive shaft back on. But we got it off, we should be able to get it back on. Let's be honest. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I'll report it.
I don't like that whole thing.
That's as far as I can go with the wood.
That's like the whole engine and everything. Okay.
That's as far as I can go with the wood. Hold on, I need to get this back in here. It's very clear. Oh, but now it's not.
Wait, what? Oh, I did it from here, didn't
That's
I?
right, you did. Do we need to do that again? That was with this one, right? Or was it with the medium one? No, you definitely got it with that one.
Brother.
But how? Yeah.
Well, this will get interesting quick.
Just when we thought the hardest part was already done.
No, this is exactly what I thought.
Do you want to pop that pipe off? Would that make it easier?
Nope, wouldn't matter. Okay,
Dude,
hold on.
That's not gonna be enough.
Whole.
This might be an engine mount disconnecting.
What the fuck?
Yeah, that's not even. You can see the nub, right?
Yeah.
Not even close, unless you can push the drive shaft. Okay, another trick that I saw.
Wait. Wait.
You got that? What? It's right here.
Stick this back in there. We're gonna try that twist method.
Where, here? But see, the thing is, it's too far away now. I can't even. Can I? Okay, there.
Well, you just gotta twist.
That's what I'm doing.
We're like miles off.
Now do this.
Can you see?
Oh my god.
Okay,
This
hold on.
might be an engine mount thing. Wait. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Leave it there. Let me get it in the other way. Oh, that's not gonna work though. Twist.
Yeah.
Twist is.
Hold on. Okay.
I'm just trying to get it.
The only thing that can go wrong here is you're gonna smash the shit out of my hand.
Where's your hand?
In a really bad spot.
There's no more twisting.
No.
You can hear the engine.
How the fuck?
We like ripped it off of there. Oh, that is a lot better. Holy shit! Don't touch it. Oh, it's so close. Okay.
I almost broke my arm. I feel like, but I got it.
Here's what it takes. Ready? I'm gonna tell you right now. So the nub is like just below the hole that needs to go in. So drive shaft needs to go down a little bit. But before that, we need a pry. We need to get one good pry, and then you need to just pull it down. No, but we don't want to go too far. Ready?
Yep. No, I just don't have.
Oh, wait. We're almost there. There it is. It's in.
No way.
Yep, it's in. Get this out. You all good? I'm pulling this out.
Hold on. Do we want to start any of the bolts before we pull that out?
Oh, wait. Yeah, now we have to rotate it a little bit. Oh, I hope it's still where it was.
It definitely didn't rotate because my scrape marks are still right here.
Yeah, but the holes aren't lined up anymore.
No.
Yeah. So it did rotate. Oh, how hard is it going to be to rotate now? Oh, hello.
How far off?
Like half an inch. And it won't spin now. How easy is this going to be to spin? So yeah, it's like lined up in the hole, but the only thing that's stopping it is this right now. So we do want to kind of...
I don't even know how to go about that. So I don't know if he told you, but I really hope this doesn't just look super weird, but we had a little bit of a shortage on pipe. There to there. So we went ahead and Randall O'Reilly's got some more. We're gonna have to cut it down, but we'll be Gucci.
Hey, Johnny!
Oh, hello. How you doing? Where's that hole?
Didn't do anything. I could put that right back in if I wanted to.
No, it gave us some.
It gave us some, but like... Oh, there we go. Okay, let's try these bolts again. That gap closed up a lot. Yep. Can you thread yours? Maybe it just needs to be rotated a little bit. Because mine got really hard too. I don't know.
Really difficult.
Yeah. Fuck, I hope we're not stripping them.
It's spinning with 2 fingers.
Oh, really? Mine stopped.
Brother, it's so rough, it's scary.
I know, I would really like to make sure this is right.
Oh, no. Oh, well, that kind of...
rust.
Yep, just rust.
Okay. It's not, like, damaging the threads?
Nope, it's literally rusty on that first thread.
Yeah, this one is as far as it wants to go. Where's that? Oh,
Right there. Right there. Right where I'm looking.
Ah, that's like the easiest place. And then this one, do we have to spin for?
Oh, yeah.
Let's be over here. Let me know when you can see it. I'll move it nice and slow.
Stop.
That good?
Yep, hold on.
So guys, what we're doing there is we're you got the car in neutral, and I guess it doesn't matter if parking brake's on or off, and you got to spin both front wheels at the same time. So let's spin the drive shaft. We'll torque those up.
I mean, it could also be a battery problem.
Are we gonna torque everything at the end? I think so. Okay. Come back down here with the torque wrench. All right. So what we did, because you guys were all the way over there, this is crucial in being able to get the downpipe out and getting the drive shaft unhooked. So reverse order, we. Okay. Wow. Yeah. You can't see any of this shit. Like, good thing I don't have the GoPro on, because then I'll be wasting anyway. But yeah, you have to undo the transmission mount is the first thing, and then if you want to make it a little bit easier, you want to do this, but I don't think it actually made a difference. That's the dog bone
There ain't
mount.
no playing with it no more.
So yeah, all these mounts I have in boxes, but I've been putting off because I knew they would be hard. Well, now we're seeing, I mean, honestly, the downpipe was harder than replacing these mounts probably. We'll see, but yeah, way up in here, actually maybe right. Yeah, no, you just can't see anything. Well, there is a drive shaft in there, you're gonna have to trust me. And we did have it pried off to the side, and I think honestly getting it back on there was harder.
No.
Well, it took us more time to get it off because we didn't really know what we were doing, but once we got the method down, it was easy. But I feel like getting it on there, we had to come up with a whole new method. But yeah.
No, it was pretty quick. For coming up with something on the fly, it was pretty quick.
That's true. Coming up with something on the fly. I mean, you got to give us credit, man. Especially, I mean, I know half of y'all wouldn't be out here in this freaking cold, so. All right, well, yeah, we're going to get this tightened up. Actually, drive shaft will probably be next, so I'm going to go up on top of the car, put it in park, so we can torque that one bolt, and then we're going to have to put it in neutral, spin the wheels, torque the next one, and just do all three like that. Wait, so this goes over. Remove this.
No, actually, now that you lined it up like that, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Woo!
Oh,
look at my measurement.
I know.
Fucking golden.
How do we do this?
Maybe it was too good.
It was too good,
like,
bro.
That was my chop saw cuts.
Yeah.
Too good.
Right there.
Wilson would be like, why are you cutting it to like 0.02
Okay,
over?
so here's my theory. We're gonna have to cut it again, yes. But if this is all the way in, and this is all the way in, they don't need to be all the way in. So we can realistically cut it like.
No way we gotta do this again, and then the burrs and everything. Fuck me.
Doctor, don't worry, the x-rays are safe. Also, doctor.
Yeah, bro, I trust that tool for you to use. I'm gonna go behind this wall though.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna scan your bones and your body with it, but I'm gonna go behind the wall.
Yeah. And I'm gonna make sure it's pointed away from me.
Yeah.
No particular reason.
Pee my gun. Well, I'll tell you, the line I drew with the Sharpie is a lot straighter than this line. No, it's just at an angle, that's why.
That's like comparing two dicks with erectile dysfunction.
Yeah.
What, we cutting a 1/16 of an inch every time?
Yeah. Trying to grind it a little bit. Okay.
Smells like old alloys.
Yep.
Hey, you didn't flip it over.
I was like this, and I went like that. Oh, you're just trying to, okay. It's second nature, guy. It's what QA technician looks like.
Damn, is that why that cuts so shit? No
Yeah,
wonder.
yeah, the QA doesn't cut. QA just checks. Like, that's under tolerance. I couldn't do it any better, though.
Nah, QA walks up to bars and does this. Yep, doesn't roll straight, guys.
Yep, I was doing that today.
Let me email the customer. Hold on.
I was doing that. I was doing that today. Dude.
Told you I had a pretty good reenactment there.
Could be better.
Hey, sorry about that. Your cut was too perfect. Bring it down about another 1/8 of an inch, all right?
Or it's like you forgot to mark these, or you forgot to deburr these. You got a 500 piece order and a 600 piece order, but I can't help you with that. You gotta deburr these too.
Hey, by the way, you just cut an order for 500. Yeah, half of them you didn't grind. You're working on 1,000.
Too bad.
Nah, I'm gonna go fuck off. Do those when you're done.
Yeah. So there's a burr there. Let's get that one off for sure. So that's like gonna cause an issue under there.
No, it won't.
That right there?
No, fuck no.
That little bit of a...
I realized how easily that slipped on.
Oh, okay. That's true.
It's probably a little bigger than 3 inches.
Let's get the caliper. Make sure it's got an inspection sticker. Oh, that's dirty. Well, don't matter.
It's okay, it'll blow out the back.
Yeah, it'll
Hey,
blow.
you want your light?
I need another
Give me
M8.
my
I need another M18, bro. That's about right.
Yeah, girth and everything. About it.
That's me.
How we looking? How we looking with our pipe?
Oh, perfect. That's exactly what we needed.
Damn, you lay pipe like that, raw dog?
I wish I laid my pipe like this. Girls don't know
I've
my
seen that
skill.
rolled alloys pipe. It lays.
We don't really sell too much of it anymore. But pretty much just chop saw.
I hated doing pipe.
Me too. It's just
Built this big ass box.
yeah, it's just actually
Fuck y'all.
built this big ass. Exactly.
Fuck you. Fuck your box. Fuck everything about this.
That sums up my feeling about pipe orders.
Oh, hey, it's almost as long as the semi truck. Yeah, go fuck yourself.
Hey, guy, that burr is really tough.
Didn't you deburr it?
Yeah, but you said it would be
Come
enough.
on, QA guy.
You said it would be enough.
You're a QA guy blaming me, huh?
Motherfucker.
This is why QA guys don't cut, eh?
Yeah. Well, you ain't want to cut because you were scared of it.
Who?
You.
I got kicked off the saw. Don't
No,
blame
I'm saying
me.
this is the angle grinder. Why you didn't cut this one? Yeah, you see this? It's not going all the way up where it needs to go.
See, come on, man. If you cut, you gotta deburr it too. If you don't, QA comes back on your ass. Oh wait, you are QA. Man, this is some fucked up saw work.
Listen, bro, I just want this to fit. I don't care about none of that.
Why don't you pull this one down a little bit?
This one?
Yeah.
But it's still got to go into here more.
Yeah, but if you pull that one.
Okay. Pulled.
Okay.
Oh, the clamp.
Where's the clamp? Brother, I told you. No.
It's over here.
Wait. That gap opened up. Whatever we were just doing working.
We want this to go more, though. We want the gap to close.
No, we can
not
take
open.
this one off, slide this bitch down here, and put the
Okay,
fucking...
okay. Whatever, yeah, whatever we have to do to get it on.
Whatever we have to do to get clamps on, we're fucking doing.
This should take not even 10 minutes to do. We always somehow make it longer.
Oh. Alright, I got you, brother. Put that bitch on. What are you doing?
Oh, I thought it had to be loosened.
Nah. Shit's Gucci. Where's the other one? Here's the other one. Slide that bitch on, too.
No, we're good.
What are you talking about? We're
Wait,
good? What are you talking about? We're good.
we're not. Okay, this has to be loosened, though. This has to be loosened.
Holy fuck.
So this is why my neck was hurting so bad the other day.
Did you have to stir up that big pipe?
Oh, pillow. Okay, now you need to come this way.
No.
Okay. Get out of there. So it's supposed to go down like this, yeah? That looks normal?
Yeah. I feel like it's supposed to twist sideways.
Right, me too. Because otherwise I don't want it to pull.
Brother, your ground clearance is gonna be nothing.
Oh, yeah, bro. Yeah, this is gonna go sideways.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
But now it's touching. So where? So I don't want that.
No, that's why you gotta...
Right there.
Supposed to go the other way?
No, this is it. We're here. I don't care about ground clearance, bro. I'm gonna be on coilovers too, and it's gonna be like.
Oh, your ground clearance would be not... Your dog's gonna be worse than mine. You're gonna bump and go...
My ground clearance can be better on the slammed Mustang.
Because it's got no fucking exhaust.
Yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, the exhaust like ends here. If you guys were wondering on the Mustang, it ends like here.
Pull clamp, clamp, clamp.
There's probably one clamp on that car. No, none.
No clamp.
No clamps.
Actually, well,
Just header.
Technically half of a clamp on both sides.
Can you hold that?
I could try.
I want to get this in.
don't really
Because that's an exhaust leak if I've ever seen one. Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Boom.
perfect.
Oh no. Now this needs to come over more. This can come out.
You're gonna come out?
Yeah.
Daddy?
Okay. Yeah, this is definitely brain rot car moments.
Dang, this one goes right here. Where's that fucking...
Wanna do this one first? Or do you
Hold
go
on.
back to front or front to back? Oh, we need a nut for this one.
No way.
Yeah, it's one of these. It don't want to come out though. That's the problemo right now. Yeah, it won't come out. So let me just.
You just gotta pry it apart. Damn, strong guy.
Could have just done that. Okay. Don't we have? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's it. I'm losing. So hopefully this will be just as good of a clamping pressure as that one.
Yeah.
Do you think this is gonna be an issue in here? This little gap? Because
What little gap?
that's what the band clamp is for.
What do you mean this
Is
little
to
gap?
cover that gap there.
Is there a gap in there?
Well, it's just a. No air gap. No.
Here.
Yeah, that's as good as it gets going. Yeah.
You fucking sped?
No, my arm couldn't bend that way.
Definitely sped, brother.
Defo sped.
Defo.
All right.
Yo. There you go.
I thought you were gonna do that.
Yeah, I got you.
Oh my god.
Oh, shit.
We got number 3.
Number 3.
So if this is ever a race car and what my number is gonna be, it's gonna be number 3.
Well, that's the amount of fucking extra exhaust clamps.
That's a good one. Oh man.
You must definitely start front to back.
So just kind of get them on there. You're right though. And y'all, I really
like 40 hours worth of
yeah,
work here.
I really appreciate you guys who have stayed this long to the video. I know this will be towards the end of the video now, and I am going to be starting the car just in a few seconds here, so don't go anywhere. Definitely watch to the end of the video, like and subscribe. This has been a lot of fucking work. I say this every time. When we did suspension on the Mustang, you know, whatever, it's always a lot of work, but it just gets harder and harder each time because we do more and more cool shit. So if you guys want to keep seeing cool shit, you know what to do. Cross beam.
Right up your fucking pants. It's like, oh no.
Cross section. Where does that go? Oh, and then there's a whole skid tray. Nah, dude, I'm doing the cross section, this back skid tray, and a front skid tray tomorrow after work, bro. We're gonna flash this shit started up.
Let's go. Yeah. Hey, we get to hear this bitch?
Like right now, yeah. All right, you guys, this is the moment we've been. Now you're in frame. This is the moment we've been waiting for forever. Well, one of the 2 moments we've been waiting for. We're gonna start it up, hear how it sounds, and then we're also going to flash the tune, which is the second part I've been waiting for. So.
Yeah, I'm only gonna run for like 5 seconds.
Okay. So I'm gonna stand at the back here, and we're gonna get our reaction. Oh boy.
You a little nervous?
There's a lot that's changed. We're about to find out. Yo. That's a little loud. Yeah, wait for it. It's probably confused. Alright, let's cut it. Alright, so that's before the tune.
That's 1K.
Huh?
That's 1K.
Yeah, it was running like 1.5 or 1.25.
That was 1K.
Yeah. And it didn't want to come down. So it's probably angry because it's not tuned.
That's like 1200.
Yeah. It sounds a lot, I guess we'll see once it's tuned, but it sounds a lot more hollow sounding, which is... Alright, so I'm going to take my IE access port here and put it back where we can't even see it. It's so dark. Push that. Okay, that's up where it needs to be. Got the green light flashing on my hand there. Okay. Now I'm going to go into the app. I have 3% battery. I should probably get a charger. Alright, so we got the IE set up here. I got my phone on a charger. Alright, so it's gonna be testing parameters. Probably gonna be doing a bunch of little different shit. Once it says we're ready, then okay. So that's pretty cool to see. Maybe I should let this run while I'm in the car, like when I'm driving you. Alright, tune. Phone battery's at 20, it's not, but it's charging. We should be fine. Phone must remain, yep. Oh, that's okay.
I was gonna say you probably gotta tap one.
Connect battery charger, yep. 10 amps or higher is recommended. I'm at 2, but whatever. Car hood must remain open, yep, duh. Connect power link, but already, like, you had to get to this point. Ignition, please turn your ignition to on. Yes. And car identity, okay.
See, I love how it's like you're not registered, but it knows you're stage 1.
Yeah, stage 193, and I got the TCU on there too. Cool. Alright, loading tunes. Here we go. So, not true flex. We want stage 2, and this will be eventually. I want to get the high pressure fuel pump, like next summer we'll do that. For now, stage 2. 93 low torque. No. Where's that? 93. I want Crackle sport mode only.
You don't want Crackle in normal driving?
No, just sport mode only. I only drive it in sport mode if I'm trying to like have fun anyway. So, yeah, 93. That's literally the last one. So now, yeah, 93 high torque Crackle sport mode only. Let's do it. 100 credits. I'm gonna have to buy 100 credits.
Does that? I wonder if that includes manual mode.
Okay, so we're just, it says a negative 100 and it's not refreshing, so we're just going to go to the end and see what happens. But yeah, like I said, 93 octane, high torque, Crackle sport mode only. I'm going to go to transmission up here, and I'm also going to do 6,800 RPM shifts are normal for this tune, but I'm also going to do 3,400 RPM launch control. And that costs 0 credits, so I can change this at any point, which is really cool. Buy now. Oh, so it's going to do this one first, and then it's going to do the other one.
It should be quick.
Yeah, okay. So, one at a time. So, we're going to begin flash for the 3,400 RPM launch. So, this is completely normal while you're flashing your car. It locked the doors, too, which I guess is also normal. That's funny. This really...
No way.
Yeah, this is really...
Well, it's just going through validating. It's...
I just hope it's going to jump up, and I hope the ECU tune doesn't take this long either. Alright, tune is flashed. This shit's yelling at me. We got these custom boost gauges set up from IE. That's pretty cool. I'm just gonna set this back there while we check for leaks, but I figured just give you guys some more sounds because I absolutely love it.
Good.
And then you got this refined. That's the Borla right there. That's what we're hearing. It's the Borla. Yeah, hear it a little bit, not too much. That's it. That's it. You wouldn't believe how loud that is. Okay, let's go under here, check for some leaks. Really, guys, I'm not gonna take the camera under there. We're just gonna check all these clamps. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wait, 4. And then we're gonna get some driving. So I'm gonna set the camera in the car. And huh? All right. Y'all, this thing is so fucking back. Let me show you. I'm really scared now because it's really loud, but listen. Yeah, that's just kind of going right up to 35 miles an hour. Foot kind of resting on the pedal. So what I've noticed is it's pretty tame up to 3,000. Like if I kind of roll into it here, all right, pretty tame. But when you kind of get above 3K, it gets that like raspy noise, which is like the aggressive balls to the wall sound that I've been looking for. So it's perfect, honestly, because when I'm in drive mode here, you get some of these downshifts here. All the way back down.
And you can do that in every gear. Well, realistically, probably only fourth, third, and second. A little bit in first, but yeah, this thing is sick. Hold on, let me do something right here. Second gear, here we go. Oh my god, dude. No, I don't even want to. It's nighttime. I'm the only one on the road right now. I'm not even gonna speed. Like, I wish I could show you guys, but honestly, it's probably good because I gotta get to bed. I got work tomorrow morning. I'm just going back home. I dropped Nick off. Yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed these last few videos of the stage 2 stuff. I sure as hell did. I mean, up and down, you know, is a roller coaster. Fucking struggles and then successes, and struggles and successes, and that's kind of how life works. You know, you gotta see through it all and know what you want to do in the end, and know that what you want to do is beneficial and good for you. Then you do it, and that's what I did. So can't say I'll be installing a downpipe anytime soon on one of these cars, but hey, it's out of the way on this car. Huge pain in the ass. I'm gonna try and kind of really only give you guys the main clips that kind of give you the framework. I don't want to just throw in a bunch of junk. I mean, kind of really, I was watching the intercooler video, like similar to that one. There was a bunch of junk in there, and shift. Okay, there we go. Now it's to a point where I wanted to shift because it's so loud. Jeez. But there was a lot of like extra stuff in there, and it made the video really long for no reason. And I was rewatching it, and I felt that. So as of right now, when I'm recording this, the first intercooler video is the one that I just uploaded. So I'm like on a 2-week schedule. So like I'll record something, and it'll be 2 weeks before it actually gets released. Let's get one more pop. Okay, maybe I didn't get it high enough that one. All right. Yeah, I'm pulling back home here. It's been quite a ride doing this shit. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing the install stuff. It's really hard for me to record. Like this stuff is easier for me than driving and then talking all that. Like recording while you're also doing something for the first time, and you don't have all the tools you need, and it's cold out, and the camera batteries are dying like it is right now. So if I just stop talking all of a sudden, you know why. But you know what? I'm gonna turn it off. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, whatever, any sort of engagement. I love to see it. I love to see who the real ones are and who is really interested in this stuff. And also just let me know, like, hey, you know, you don't really need to spend so much time with the camera under the car. Like, just get done what you need to get done and kind of explain it, which is kind of like what I want to do. You know, I want to put my main focus on entertainment. Like, I mean, if working under cars is entertaining for you guys, which I mean it is for me. Sometimes I'll watch like Chris Fix, even if I don't even need to fix anything, just to kind of entertain, right? But that's not my skill set. I do know how to work tools and that type of stuff, and have an engineer in my brain, but I just hate the recording while doing that shit. Like, I mean, I don't hate it. Like, I'll do it, make a video out of it, you know? What's going on here? Oh, okay, it's traction control. So I'm in the grass right now trying to pull around the Mustang. There it is. Yeah, I gotta be real precise with this. Let me shut up real quick. So I'm basically back in, because I'm still gonna take the S197 to work tomorrow. Okay, that's it. Maybe put it in drive. Oh yeah, you guys can't see what I'm doing. There we go. Yeah, the Mustang's like right there. Okay.